Flipcoin, a new data for the blockchain, a new platform with a concept of data for the new blockchain. It is a global decentralized network of transportation. You can join the platform by sign up and buy token, but already it is listed on PancakeSwap and Uniswap, so you can go there and buy these tokens. So if you want to know about the project in very simple words or in a simple video, you can go through their video here. And in this video they talk about Flipcoin platform, one click application, cloud data storage, external integration, payment gateway, and private and security of the platform. So you can they have built Flipcoin is built a platform from which you can buy and sell shares. Flipcoin creating a blockchain ecosystem for service providers of by application in which they serve economy sector by which you can buy and sell shares of different things. So it is a competitive advantages of Flipcoin. It is a flexible platform, so they are easy to use and a lot of benefits for the new users. They can easily use their platform. They have collaborative means they collaborate a lot of other platforms through decentralizations and in targeted markets where they can where they cover developers, corporations, small and medium enterprise and end users. So they made a lot of collaborations. Supportive, their whole team Flipcoin holders working from 2017, and they are very supportive and working on this platform. Exclusive, they will launch in future a dApp system and a decentralized exchange. And the team behind Flipcoin is creating a blockchain ecosystem by which dApps and a decentralized exchange DEX which will work in the future of cryptocurrency world. Flipcoin holders had already gained automatic access of developed and fully functional applications for the transportation industry with additional users and benefits of the in the pipeline. So in you can see here there are perspective and safety and security. So token sale already ended, in which one coin is equal to 2713 satoshis, and already token sold on this platform on March 1 to 2021, and already sale is ended. Flipcoin timeline, you can see their roadmap here. Applications will be working here. You can in future you can simply download their apps, and team is here with their LinkedIn profiles. You can also check it out, FAQs and more things on it. And they are already won two awards for their platforms. Their Twitter is 2007 old from 2017, and they are 1090 followers, so you can check it out, and already listed on PancakeSwap. Their bounty is already running, and if you want to participate in the platform in the bounty, so you can simply platform